Hi, so in this video we will see how to unpack the tuples. Okay, look, when we create a tuple, we normally assign value to it, right? So this is basically called packing. Okay, you should understand this thing. Like, just suppose here I'm taking a value of Sharad, or let me take an value of X. Okay, here I am assigning a 3 value: apple, banana, and one more cherry, let's say. Okay, let me copy it so that I could use for the future reference. Okay, so here we have created a tuple. Okay, we have assigned a value to it. So this process, whole process of assigning, is called packing. Okay, this is called packing. So what if I want to unpack it? Okay, we are also allowed to extract the values back into variable. This process is called unpacking. Okay, unpacking, PACKING, means extracting the values. Spelling is wrong. Okay, let me take the same example, X. Okay, X variable, it have 3 items now. So just suppose I want to take them separately without using the index. I want to just assign it to. So what I can do here, I know the variable X has 3 values, so we need a 3 more variable for assigning it to different variables. So here what I'll do, I will use A, then B, and then C. Okay, A, B, C is equal to X. Understood? So what if I will print the A first, I'll print B, I'll print C. Here what is happening, if I'll run this, then you can see apple, banana, and cherry are now in the different variable. This is basically the variables, and this is our tuple. So the first variable, first item is actually goes into first variable, second item is goes into second variable, and the third item is goes to C, the third variable. Okay, and now when we printed them separately, then the A contain apple, B contain banana, and C contain cherry. Understood? Look here, one thing you must understand, the number of variables, the number of variable must match the number of values. We have taken 3 variables, means 3 values must be present in the tuple. If not, then you must use asterisk sign. Okay, I'll show you how to do this. We will use the asterisk sign to collect the remaining values to a list. Okay, we can also do this thing. Let me show you how this possible using the asterisk, TRICK. I think this is the, okay, using this asterisk. So if the number of variable is less than the number of values, we can add asterisk to the variable name, and the values will be assigned to a variable as a list. Okay, so just suppose here I am taking the same example, but let me add something. Strawberry. Okay, sorry. STRAWBERRY. It should be meaningful. And then raspberry and kiwi, and no, leave it. Okay, now just suppose here I am giving let's say D is equal D in this D, E and F. I have taken three variable now, okay, is equal to X. Okay, but as I told you, if a variable is less than the number of values of items, then we can add asterisk here, because items value is total 1 2 3 4 5 and the variable I am taking here is 3, but I want to complete this. So here what I'll do, I will use before F, I'll use asterisk. Okay, and if I'll print this separately, print D, print E and print F. You will not use asterisk here for printing. Okay, for denoting, for assigning you can use asterisk, but for printing just use F. If I'll print this, you can see apple is assigned to D, banana is assigned to E, but as we put a star, a asterisk before F, then the rest of the item is present in now F, cherry, strawberry and raspberry. Okay, so this way you can assign a different item to a single variable also. Okay, and if the asterisk is added to another variable name, then the last, then Python will assign the values to the variable until the number of values whatever is left that matches the number of variable left. Okay, so what I'm telling here is like, just suppose using this asterisk to another variable rather than last one, means if I don't put the asterisk in the last one, if I'll put in D or E, what will happen? Let's see. Let me copy this first. The same example we will take. Okay, let me remove this asterisk from here and I'll put this here, and if I'll print this, look what is happening. It doesn't matter what it is taking. If I'll add one more thing here, then 4 will be there. Okay, the thing is, it should contain only one variable, right? So D is contained by one variable, one item. Okay, now F will be calculated first before E. F is the last one, so F is assigned by raspberry. Okay, and the rest item are processed by E, banana, cherry and strawberry. If just suppose here I'll add, I don't know if I'll able to add or not, kiwi, KIWI, let's say, then what will happen, kiwi will contain by this, means E. Okay, let's run this again. Look, right now kiwi is the last one, so last item is assigned by what? F, and raspberry is now in E. Understood? A pretty simple concept, right? So here, if the asterisk is added to another variable, as I told you, then the last, then Python will assign value to the variable until the number of values what is left, okay, means kiwi matches the number of variable left. F is left and kiwi is left, so kiwi is assigned to F, the rest of the variable are in E. Okay, so this is basically whole process is called unpacking. Okay, so hope you understood this. So that's all for this section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.